Hi, this is Fernando from Spotahome.com, and I'm going to show you a flat located in Bucareli Street in El Cerro del Águila neighborhood. This neighborhood is a little bit far away from the center of Seville, but it's well connected by subway, so you can go to the center in around 15 minutes, okay? So it's not a very long time. The flat is in the ground floor, okay, and it has 2 rooms. One of them is shared, okay? So it's much better if you see it. So I'm going to show you the flat. It's in the ground floor, okay, so the elevator is not so important. Anyway, there is no elevator in the building. And wait a second, I'm going to close the door. Okay, so this is the living room. Okay, it's really nice, I like it. It has a table with 4 chairs. I like the design of the table. As you can see, here we have 2 couches, a small table, a TV, this is a DVD, and in this furniture you can store what you want. And this furniture is designed for bottles, okay? Whoa, bottles. I expected bottles. Here we have the kitchen inside the living rooms. Okay, so here we have a coffee maker. This is a washing machine, a dishwasher. Here we have an oven, an electric stove. Here we have a single sink, and the kitchen is connected with an interior patio. Okay, I'm going to show you later. Here we have a microwave. What is it? Another fridge. This is a fridge. And I don't know what is it, but I think that and this is a freezer. So a washing machine, a freezer, a fridge, oven, electric stove, single sink, a microwave, okay? And here you have knives, spoons, so you will find everything you need. Here we have an air condition and heating system. And I'm going to show you the view to the street. It's this one, okay? Some people watching me, you know. Here we have the toilet with a single sink. Here we have a bathtub, a bidet, and a toilet. Okay, and this window is connected, okay, with interior patio. So let's go to the interior patio. Is this one? So it's a kind of relaxed area. Here you can dry your clothes. Here you have a table with 4 chairs. Okay. So you can play poker here, or I don't know, or a dinner, whatever. Now I'm going to show you the room number 2. I don't know if it's a room or 2 rooms. You are going to see now. You are going to see why now. So here we have a very big wardrobe where you can store your stuffs. Here you have an iron, a fan. Here we have a single bed, and here we have the interior patio, okay? And this is a kind of second room, I don't know how to call it, okay? And in this room we have a single bed, a chest of drawers. Wait. Whoa! And here we have the view to another patio. Here we have a desk with a chair and a lamp. And here we have another desk with a TV. And now the room number 3 or 2, number 2, is this one with a double bed, air conditioning and heating system. In the another room, air conditioning and heating system is provided as well, okay? I don't know if I gave this detail. And here we have a huge wardrobe where you can store your stuffs, okay? So it's really big. Here we have the double bed, 2 chests of drawers, 2 lamps. In this furniture, it's a kind of closet. You can store your stuffs. And here we have this furniture, okay? So, the corridor, a view of the corridor. So that's all. I hope you enjoy. Hasta pronto.